Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for a yarn. Let's crochet this cute toast. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and tie the yarn. This is called slip knot. Yarn over, pull through is called chain. Crochet 8 chains. Skip 1 chain and start from next chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. All single crochets. We should make in each stitch 1 single crochet. Total 7 single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, and again make in each stitch 1 single crochet. Crochet until row 7. In row 8, chain 1, turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called double crochet. We should crochet 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook. In next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. This is called half double crochet. We should crochet 2 half double crochet in this stitch. Mark the first double crochet and crochet 3 half double crochet like this. Next chain, 2 half double crochet, and next chain 3 double crochet. After 3 double crochet, we should make a slip stitch like you see. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. In this corner, we should make 5 single crochet as you can see. Again, in this corner, we should make 7 single crochets like this. After that, we should make 5 single crochet in this corner, as you can see, and make slip stitch, another slip stitch into the first double crochet like this, and chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it. Use your needle and sew it and fasten off just like this. And after that, just cut the yarn. Now you should have 2 pieces, and insert your hook in both loops of 2 pieces. Add your yarn and make chain 1 and make a single crochet in same stitch. Next stitch, we should make 3 single crochet into the same stitch like you see. And after that, just make 9 single crochets. That means you should make in each stitch 1 single crochet. Total 9 single crochet. And after that, just make 3 single crochets into the same stitch like you see. 1, 2, and 3. And next stitch, just 1 single crochet, and next stitch 1 slip stitch like this. Next stitch, we should make 4 single crochets. That means you should make in each stitch 1 single crochet. Total 4. And in this stitch, just make 2 single crochets. In next, we should make 7 single crochets. That means you should make in each stitch total 7, just 1 single crochet. And after that, just 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And next, we should make 4 single crochets, and just fill your work like this. And just before. And next, we should make in this stitch 1 slip stitch. And again, in first single crochet, we should make slip stitch. And just chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it, and use your needle, and just sew it and fasten off like this. And stick the eyes with glue and just sew your smile like this with your needle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.